Hello viewers, now watching how to cook recipe of fully tender spicy potatoes dry curry at home. Chopped 1-inch piece of ginger. Make a paste of 4 cloves of garlic. Chopped 3 green chilies 1 by 1. Heat ½ cup cooking oil in a bowl-shaped pan on medium flame. Note spices which are being used to prepare this recipe. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. At this stage of cooking recipe, add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, ½ teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now mix all spices together with round cut potatoes and cook it on medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now add prepared garlic paste. Mix it properly, until all round cut potatoes coated with garlic paste. Cook it on medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn medium flame into low flame. Now cook it for 8 minutes while covering the lid of cooking pan. After 8 minutes of cooking on low flame, uncover the lid and add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste water. Mix them all together properly. Here flame of stove should be medium to low. Add 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Add ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Now mix them properly and gently. Now recipe has been fully prepared. Here you can sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves and peppermint leaves for garnishing. Recipe is now ready to serve. Dish it out and serve it to your family members. This recipe is very tasty. When you will prepare it during breakfast, you should try this recipe at home, and tell me in comment that how much you like my recipe.